expand, three P plus 4Q into bracket 5P plus 6Q. Solution. We have 3P plus 4Q into bracket 5P plus 6Q. Now, the first term and the first binomial expression is 3P. So we use this 3P to multiply the whole of second binomial expression. That's 5P plus 6Q. Then we use the second term and the first binomial expression to multiply the whole of second binomial expression. The second term here is plus 4Q into bracket the second binomial expression 5P plus 6Q. The next step is to expand the brackets. Then we have 3P times 5P. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, P times P is P squared. Now, we use that same 3P to multiply 6Q. Now, 3 times 6, what do we have? That's 18. Then P times Q is PQ. Plus, what do we have here? We use 4Q here to multiply 5P. 4 times 5 is 20. Now, Q times P we have what? That is PQ. Or QP is same thing as PQ. Now, this same 4Q we multiply this. 4 times 6 is what? 24. Then Q times Q is Q squared. Now we have 4 terms from the expansion. Now, looking at the middle term, the two middle terms are like terms. Hence, we add them together. So we have 15P squared plus 18PQ plus 20PQ will give us what? 38PQ plus 24Q squared. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.